Hello everyone, and welcome to Codecraft Hub. I'm Nathan Stanford Sr., and I'm glad to have you here. So let's talk about who I am and why I'm doing what I'm doing. I'm a seasoned senior programmer for over 2 decades, getting close to 3 decades, and building many applications for many different companies over the years. I've built important applications like the Y2K at American Airlines. I've built many different things. I've got experience in databases and front ends and back ends. I've had a lot of different projects over the years, and I pride myself in being able to build what the client wants. But the goal of this channel is to help beginners and others that want to learn to program. And if you're more advanced, maybe you'll pick something up here and there. And my goal is more to aim towards beginners and helping them get rolling and being able to pick up a job. So my goal is to have everything from Cold Fusion, PHP, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and anything else that you ask about, like maybe even HTMX, which I really like adding into my repertoire of things that I do. Over the years, I've dealt with different frameworks, so we'll look into those. But we're going to take the time to do step-by-step tutorials to guide you through all the concepts to ensure that you understand the fundamentals before you go on, because you really need to learn the fundamentals if you haven't programmed at all. You need to know those basic things. Now, when I'm doing the basic things, if you've been a programmer for a while, you may end up wanting to skip some of those or at least speed up the video so you can get to the things that you're interested in. I also want to do some practical projects where you'll have real world projects that you can actually build with me and apply. And then what you need to do after you build those applications, you sit down and say, okay, what else would I like to add to this application, or how would I want to change it to make the look and feel different? Because when you're working on a project at a company, that is one of the things that you'll have to do. You'll build a project. The client will say, well, we like it, but can you make this change? Can you make that change? So you want to learn how to do that. I'll also, as I decide, I'll pull up some tips and tricks of different things. Goal between learning to keep your client happy and also learning to keep clean code as best as you can. My goal is to also be able to, at some point, provide answers to your questions. So I want to have some question and answer sessions where you can say, hey, I'm having this problem. How can I solve this problem? I really love to program, and I love to help people. So as we embark on this journey of building videos for other people to help you learn, please take time to hit the subscribe button. Turn on notifications so that you'll get notified when I add new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share the videos with anyone who might benefit from them. Any other programmer or beginner programmer, let them know that it's there. Thank you for stopping by Codecraft Hub. I can't wait to see what amazing things you'll create. Let's get started with this exciting journey together. Happy coding.